The biggest name in AI is headed for Wall Street. On Monday, the maker of ChatGPT announced it has confidentially filed for an internal public offering, or IPO. An IPO is the moment a private company starts selling its shares on the stock market. So anyone with a brokerage account can own a piece of it. And a confidential filing simply means OpenAI submitted its paperwork to regulators privately. It gets the process started without the company having to open its books to the world immediately. OpenAI hasn't set a price yet, or share count, or even a date, but the company itself said, quote, "It may be a while, but Reuters reports that OpenAI is targeting a valuation of up to $1 trillion. A valuation is just the total price tag investors put on a company. For context, only a handful of companies on Earth have ever been worth that much." Reuters also reports the stock market debut could come as early as this September. Now, the numbers behind the company, because they are quite staggering. Earlier this year, OpenAI was raising $110 billion from backers, including SoftBank, Amazon, and Nvidia, at an $840 billion valuation. ChatGPT now has more than 900 million weekly users and over 50 million paying subscribers. And as of March, OpenAI said it was generating about $2 billion in revenue every single month, growing by its own account roughly 4 times faster than the companies that defined the era of the internet. So here's the thing, OpenAI isn't even the first in line. Anthropic, its biggest rival and the maker of the Claude models, filed for its own IPO exactly 1 week earlier. Add SpaceX, which is racing toward what could be the largest stock market debut in history, and we may be looking at a parade of trillion-dollar scale listings as early as this fall. Why should you care? Even if you never buy a single share. First, transparency. Public companies are legally required to disclose their finances and their risks in detail. For the first time, we'll get to see what the AI giants actually earn, spend, as well as worry about. Useful intelligence for when your business increasingly runs on their AI tools. Second, permanence. The software you've been wiring your operations is graduating from a venture-backed experiment to a pillar of the public market.